What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This shipped from Schenectady, New York, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. This, they just wrote on there. So this is a Shawn Michaels figure. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share. Check out some of my other videos. Feel free to support my channel by Cash Apping me at London Hawthorne. Go to rippedapparel.com or onceupon2.net. Find your shirt or shirts of choice. Save a couple bucks if you use my username London Hawthorne when you're checking out. I get a couple bucks in credit. You can also just cash at me. Hoping everything is going well with y'all. It's going good here. First up, from the Series 120, this is a Shawn Michaels Basics. It's weird seeing him with the shaved head. We got Edge, Pete Dunne, Karrion Kross, and Scarlett. It's just odd seeing him with the shaved head, man. It's weird. And then last but not least, from the Elite Collection, WrestleMania Shawn Michaels, right here. Also in this line was Goldberg, Edge, and Chyna, and together they make a Paul Ellering and Rocco figure. But yeah, as always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some other ones. I really wish you the best. Have a wonderful day.